Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 108 Allure. Now this has a reversing camera, alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity. There's air conditioning. The car's done under 7,500 miles and is in warranty until July 2020. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.